Okay, so this is a Ridgid R4514 job site table saw. This is a table saw that weighs under 100 pounds. It folds up. It's on wheels. You can easily slide it into your truck and take it to a job site. And I'm going to show you how with the power feeder that I've developed and that I'm marketing, that I call the Little Proteus power feeder, a single person can rip and even cut shiplaps and other molding profiles on long boards. And I'm going to show you on a 13-foot plank. There's no reason why you couldn't do a 16-foot plank. A single person working alone with the power feeder doing the muscle work to do jobs that you'd think you would need a full setup of a big shop, or on a job site, many support tables. The keys here is that the fence has T-slots in it. It has two T-slots on the top. It has T-slots on the sides too. We're actually not going to use the ones on the sides, but we're going to use the one on top. It's also a really nice fence. The fence slides smoothly and locks down. And now I'm going to set up my power feeder. And here it is. This is the Little Proteus power feeders. What I'm holding now weighs about 14 pounds, 13 pounds maybe, and it attaches with a couple T-bolts. It slides right in there, and I just tighten those two bolts, and now the feeder is locked in place. I'm going to put on the power source. The power source is a Ridgid brushless motor drill. This is actually their itty bitty one. They call it the subcompact, and it has plenty of power for this job. So I'm just going to attach that, and then this is the speed switch, and that allows me to control the speed. I just turn the knob and also just turn it right off. On, off.
Okay, wait a minute. All right.
So I first made a cut at 7 5/8 off of the rough sawn edge, and then I flipped the board and took off another 1/8 of an inch. And since it's a thin curved blade, theoretically I should have been left with a 32nd of an inch waste piece. And to just show you how accurately the whole setup works, here's this piece that is theoretically a 32nd of an inch thick, but it's coming off of a rough sawn edge. So it's Kind of amazing.